Yeah, I can.
I hope it doesn't blow my microwave up.
No, he's not going to blow your microwave up. You just burp.
What was the point in me putting that on charge?
Well, at least it got more charge.
Turn the plug off. You should never leave a plug in like that. That it's switched on.
Come on. Why you look so moody?
Huh?
Why do you look so moody? Like,
Moody, you mean?
yeah.
I'm just frightened that goes too hot.
It's not going to burn.
Did it say 2 minutes?
Yeah, it said 2 minutes on the tag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't get too near with that.
See him?
You can't even see him.
I could see him. I can just see him spinning.
Look at you.
See him spinning.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah?
You mad ass.
See, he's just spinning.
Off your trolley.
Why? I'm gonna video it. Everyone can see. I'm just gonna go on my friend.
So you're going to wait till I open the door so you can take a picture of him sat in the microwave. Mad you.
Well, I told my friends about it that because we uploaded a video of it just sitting in my bed and
It's
then
popping, there's something happening there. I don't like that.
all done.
Thought you were going to take a picture of it.
No, I can't take pictures one.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Is it? Right.